Hi friends, welcome back to another quick fix videos. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to create a shortcut of any website on your desktop. So it is very simple. Please follow the steps to do the same. Right click on the desktop, navigate to new, then shortcut. You can write the URL of your website or copy paste from the address bar. You can see this is our website. It is multicare.com. Just select and copy, then paste here, and next you can name this shortcut. You can see the shortcut has been created. Whenever you double click, you will move to multicaretechnical website. So hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.